Okay guys, and today we are going to read a story, okay? Okay, we're just doing a story. Yes, we're just doing a story, Pessimus. Okay guys, now please pay attention when I read, and then just don't go to the bathroom, and whatever, just forget it. Let's read. Just forget it. Okay. Pessimus, I'm gonna read. What's about the time this? There's a name, Junior, and then just walk to the. After Pessimus, just read the whole story, and then we have to read it. Wow, Pessimus, that was quick. Yeah, that was. So let's play. Yeah. Wait a second, guys. What the heck was that? Was that a bang? Yeah. It sounds like it came from outside. Let me go see. Huh? I don't feel like hearing a noise outside. I thought I heard. I thought I did. Well, whatever. Guys! Why does it piss me? I thought I heard something outside and I feel like I don't hear something outside. Well, that's weird. Yeah, that's weird. That's crazy. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. Oh, guys, that bang is a little bit scary. Yeah, me too. Let's hide here. Guys, this bang is a little scary. Yeah, I know. I don't like this bang. Yeah, me too. Oh, no, guys. I hear that bang again. Pessimus, why you say oh no? Because we know, guys, I'm so scared because of the bang. Me too. Guys, the lights went out. Don't piss me. I got a flashlight. Okay, put it on. Okay. Okay, piss me. Turn the flashlight on. Okay, good. But guys, we're gonna do about this power. I don't know. Well, guys, do you want to play? Okay. Wait a second. What are you doing here, guys? What are you doing here again? Well, Pessimus, I'm just here because I heard like a bang over there. It was a little too dark, so we just came over you. So we didn't have a flashlight, so we just went over here with you. So you guys have a flashlight, so we just went over you. So we just ran over here to be with you guys. Oh, okay. But guys, what are we gonna do about this power? I don't even know, Pessimus. Pessimus, what was that bang noise? Oh my god, I'm so scared. Pessimus, why are you scared? Because of the scary bang. Oh, the bang is scary? Yeah, it is scary. Guys, why is this bang ever gonna stop? Nope, never. Finally it stopped. But guys, where's that big noise coming from? I think it's coming from the basement. Okay, let me get this flashlight and see if there's anyone in the basement. Okay, Pessimus, don't worry. Be brave. Huh? What the heck? That stuff. What's wrong, Pessimus? Yeah, what's wrong? Those stuff just flew on the floor. Again? This is the second time this week. The stuff just flew on the floor. Yeah. Well, guys, since Pismay got a little scared because his stuff just flew on the floor, how come Pete, you could just go check what the noise was? Oh, fine. Now what to do is all over with our light. No, we could just go. Oh, fine. Okay, I guess I have to do this with our light. Huh? What the? No. Pete, what happened again? What do you see again, Pete? I saw someone just move by the door over there. Oh, okay, but who's gonna check it says Pete's a little scared and the door just moved by itself or something? How about you, Mr. King Father? Yeah, you could do it. You're big and strong. You could do it. I'm scared. You could do it. Thank you guys. Not to do this with our light. No, just go. Fine. Okay, I guess I have to do this with our light. This is my chance. Huh? Oh no. Ah! Candy corn! Oh my god. No. This is definitely not good. Well guys, we're gonna find a way to get away from this stupid baby noise. Yeah. And I'm still here too. Yeah, me too. Oh no, guys. I hear the door noise again. Yeah. Guys, I think we shouldn't be here. Yeah, me too. Sounds like broke into the house. What? Someone just broke into the house again? Yeah. Guys! The power's on! Yes! Finally! Oh my god, I will never do that again. Yeah, we are never doing this again. Yeah, we are never doing this again. We don't need this stupid light anymore. Yeah, we don't need it anymore. Well, let's go to the beach. Come on. Dragon, you haven't talked in a while. Yeah. Come on, guys, let's go to the beach.